Hey Planner fam, welcome back to her lovely plan. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you'll never miss a video or live stream, and give me a thumbs up. So before we get into this week's spread, just wanted to show you how last week turned out. I did do a little bit of writing, but as you can see towards the latter part of the week, not much, but I did get a lot accomplished. So let's jump right into the week of November the 12th through the 18th. So as y'all can see, every week I struggle with this whiteout by Bic. It was really inexpensive. So if you all have any suggestions on whiteout that I can use, I know some people say Tombow is good. It's just for some reason this one seems like it always, I don't know, kind of skips. So drop a comment below with your favorite whiteout tape. So for most of you all that have been following me and watching my videos, you know that I print out my headers just using regular printer paper, and I use the Scotch double-sided tape runner to lay them down on my colorful boxes. I know I could get sticker paper and do it, but I'm not going to be using this style planner for 2019 for my business, social media, and YouTube planning. So right now it just didn't make any sense to spend that money when I can use it on other planner goodies. So this is just my little way of cutting corners and saving a little bit of coin. Distinct beats. So for this week's spread, I decided to use washi, and I decided to use it for two particular reasons. The primary reason was because I have a lot of washi and I'm trying to get out of hoarding all of my planner supplies. And the second was because I was feeling a little bit lazy. I didn't want to go through flipping through a lot of sticker books trying to figure out what to use. And what I've learned when doing my faith planning, because I use a lot of washi when I do faith planning, which I will be doing more videos next year with that. But washi gives you a very decorative spread, but leaves you with a lot of white space to function. So if you have one of those weeks or days where you're like, I want to make my spread pretty, but I don't feel like flipping through these sticker books, pull out some washi. Really easy. Lay it, cut it, and keep it moving. Distinct beats. Distinct beats. Distinct beats. Distinct beats. already know what time it is. It is Elaine Michelle Studio YouTube icon sticker time. Shameless plug for my boo, but I absolutely love these stickers, and I'm not just saying it because of who the sticker designer is, but sometimes you just don't want to write either. Like, you don't want to flip through sticker books and you don't want to do a whole lot of writing. So having an icon sticker that says it all makes a big difference. And each one of these stickers let me know when I need to film, edit, upload, voice over, and I don't even have to write it down. Now, I will tell you, soon I may be cheating on her a little bit. I just got some amazing foiled YouTube stickers from a new sticker shop on Etsy by CJ Plans. Her Etsy shop is called Her Rain or Haran Designs. Y'all know I'll be chopping names up, but CJ Plans has a new shop. I will make sure I remember to leave everyone's link in the video. So now I'm going to go ahead and just lay some decorative things in some word stickers just to kind of add a little bit of decor to the spread and also cover up spots that I know I probably won't do any writing. And that's a good thing. You can always use your more decorative and bigger stickers in the areas where you know you won't write to take away from that white space. Distinct beats. Okay, you guys, so I'm finished my spread, and I know you're probably saying last week's color theme was the same, and I would agree with you as well. But this is florals, and the focal point is the washi. The washi is what really drew me to just keeping it the same purple color from last week. I don't know if you've already watched my mini happy planner plan with me, but I stated that I want to get out of holding on to all of these stickers and washi's because I'm scared that I'm not going to find them again. And to be honest, do I want to really keep all of this stuff and keep using it? For me, the joy of doing a spread is to create something different, and I'm not going to be able to create anything different if I keep holding on to the same thing. So I say all of that to say is I'm going to be using up everything that I have in my planner stash. What I don't use, my plan is to gift it to people that need it, to new planner babes that need some accessories and things to go ahead and spruce up their planner, because I know for me, I have too much. And I don't want to keep holding on to all of this stuff and not using it. If I'm not using it, I need to go ahead and bless somebody else with it. So with that being said, this spread is all about the use of washi this week. I pretty much used one sticker book, which is shocking to me. All of these box type stickers were colorful boxes. Well, actually, I used 3 sticker books. I used colorful boxes. I used Supermom Mini and the classic size. And then this came out of the memory keeping sticker book. I think this one is, which one is this one? This is the dates and holiday one. So for the big size planner, I believe. But anyway, yeah, I like it. Like I said, I mean, it's purple again, but purple is my favorite color, and these florals are giving me life. And this washi came out of a washi set from Hobby Lobby, and it's in by the Paper Studio, yeah. So anyway, so I hope you like this spread. I hope this has inspired you to start using things that you've been holding on to, in the fear that you won't get them again. And my thing is, this stuff is meant to use and keep it moving on to the next thing. So with that being said, if you like this video and if you like my spread, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up and drop me a comment below if you have any questions about anything, or if you just want to leave a word of encouragement. And before you go, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell so you can always receive alerts every single time I post a video or go live. And as well, share this with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, planner fam, peace. Distinct beats. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, where my purpose is to create and inspire one plan at a time.